How to convert your Workmeister centercaps to floating. Tools required: heat gun, super glue, Dremel or grinder. Heat up cap for a few seconds to soften foam adhesive. Push emblem from behind. Now with a Dremel, reduce the height of the pegs. It should look like this when done. Now get my Meister kit. 1 bearing plate, 1 upper plate, and 1 counterweight. Now add some super glue to rear of plate, like so. And simply push into rear of emblem. Now the emblem needs to be attached to the upper plate. Some glue again, like so. Give it a twist to spread the glue. Now dry fit the emblem into the cap. You want to be checking for smooth rotation. If the cap is not central, it might not spin correct. Therefore you may have to shave the edge to make it rotate freely. Keep testing till it's perfect. Once you're satisfied, you can add a very small drop of glue to the shaft. I really mean a small drop. Spread it thinly across the diameter of the shaft. And simply insert into bearing. Keep checking it spins freely. Now add a small drop of glue to the bearing rear. Hold the cap so the emblem is horizontal and press the counterweight onto the rear. You'll have time to adjust the weight until the emblem sits horizontal when stationary. And as simple as that, you have floating centercaps for Workmeister wheels. You'll need to check the work website for fitment of these caps onto your wheels. For further information, visit my store and order your custom kit today. VIPfil.com